is another tool that you use on a daily basis. So you'll want to inspect it just as you do any other tool. Check the cord for any breaks or exposed wires. Check that the prongs are not bent and not loose. Check the trigger is not broken and springs back into place. Check the guard, that it's firm and not broken or bent. If it is, the guard will need to be replaced. Check the blade, that it is straight and not bent, that it is not missing any teeth and is sharp. When changing the blade, turn the chuck, pull the blade out, replace with a new blade, release the chuck, check that it is locked into place, and now the saw is ready for use.